where are you? Okay, can. See you later. Hi, come on in. How's your lunch? Get so many choices of hawker food downstairs, right? Thank you for being here today. I'm so much to share with you because Block 923 Hougang is so accessible to the amenities nearby. This will be a great choice for you and your family. Conveniently located just minutes to Hougang MRT station and shopping malls, including Tzi Yuan Community Center and Hawker Center just at your doorstep, you can find all you need within minutes. For family with schooling kids, there are many good schools around. Just to name a few, Xinmin Primary and Secondary School, Montfort Junior and Secondary School, and even Rosai School is within 1 km from here. Block 923 Hougang is a spacious 1076 square feet HDB 4A flat. This unit is above 10th floor with windy facing. This current flat layout is a typical 4-room model that gives you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, storeroom, and a good-sized kitchen with a laundry yard. The width of the hall is so spacious that you can place L-shaped sofa and still have plenty of space for moving around. The owner has combined one of the bedrooms to be part of the master room. Using similar concept spaceman bed and table system, you can have study area in the day and the pull-out bed during the night. The kids can stay together in the bedroom yet retain privacy by having a wooden glass sliding door in between the original 2 bedrooms when it's needed. At any time, you can easily convert back the 3rd bedroom by opening the other side for a door, and this requires minimum renovation time. The master bathroom renovated with vanity top plus storage cabinets. On the other side, the owner installed a standing shower screen that prevents water from wetting the common area. It is clean and well maintained. Let's check out the functional country-style kitchen. The owner hacked away half of the wall to create a sink and extra tabletop area. In the middle of the kitchen is spacious enough for you where you can enjoy your tea break in style. The top and bottom cabinets allow you ample storage for everything in place. Everything is well maintained, including the cooker hob and hood. A great kitchen that can easily fit to any family needs. Wait no more, it's been a pleasure showing you around. This is IVU from AAG Division Orange Tea and Thai, serving you since 1996.